Keith, Jason, and Kyler here. Just giving you kind of a summer update of where everything's at for the year so far. And we'll start out with Jason here and tell us a little bit about what we have for projects going on.
We got a few bigger projects going on. We got one in northern North Dakota. It's a pretty big fertilizer plant. We're doing some siding. They had some damage up there. A tornado went through, tore it up, tore off a couple sides. We got another one up at MLBO, which is Mlax Banjo Ojibwe. And then, yeah, just a lot of residential projects going on also. So yeah, that's kind of our summer in a nutshell for work right now.
Yep, we're filling up. What about you, Kyler? What do we have going on for like community events and stuff like that?
Yeah, we've been in a lot of parades. I'm sure you guys have seen us out there. We got a few more left, and then also we're going to be pretty involved with the Stingers as well as Rockin Robbins. So we're always out in the community looking for better ways to also the food shelf, and so I'm sure you guys have seen us out there and look forward to continuing to serve in that way.
Yeah, as the summer winds down, now is the time to get those honeydew lists kind of hammered out. A lot of people kind of put them off to the end of the summer. This is usually when we ramp up and really kind of max out for our year. And everybody kind of goes in vacation mode until about mid-July, and all the projects that didn't get done or you didn't get to that your wife told you to get done, now is the time. So give us a call. We'll get you a number. We're real competitive in our rates of windows, siding, roofing, gutters. Or some other creative stuff that you can come up with. We can usually find a way to get you where you want to go. We also offer some great financing options. So yeah, we've still got some room at the end of our list for the year before it gets too cold to work, and give us a shout. Phone number is 320-796-5001. Okay, I need a water. What if I need a drink during all this? I have to get up and stand. I feel like it takes over my throat already.
Thank you very much.
You really need a water?
I don't think we're going to do very long stints.
How long is this going to be?
Like 10 minutes.
I don't think this is going to.
I might have a coughing spell.
Okay. I think they edit stuff out.
Okay.
Yes, if you need to get up and get a drink of water, I'm sure she could be like.
All right.